For over a century, humanity has discussed Earth's decline. We have debated it, modeled it, argued over responsibility, but discussion did not restore forests. Debate did not cool oceans. Awareness did not stabilize climate systems. This episode marks the end of explanation and the beginning of implementation. Earth does not require belief. It requires action at scale. The planetary cycle theory shows that planetary systems do not wait for consensus. They respond to mass, energy, and balance. Life stabilizes planets through absorption, conversion, and redistribution of energy. When that stabilizing force weakens, systems correct, violently if necessary. Humanity has now reached the correction threshold. Restoration is not symbolic, it is mechanical. The primary lever is biological mass. Specifically, large-scale photosynthetic systems capable of absorbing carbon, stabilizing soils, regulating water cycles, and rebuilding atmospheric balance. This is not a single solution, it is a layered system. From this point forward, Earth restoration follows 4 implementation pillars. First, mass planting at planetary scale. Not decorative trees, not offsets, but trillions of high-yield climate-matched plants deployed deliberately where Earth can absorb carbon fastest. Second, regional optimization. Each climate zone requires different species, densities, and timelines. Tropical, temperate, arid, boreal. Each responds differently and must be treated accordingly. Third, time compression. Nature can restore itself but slowly. Human civilization accelerated destruction. Therefore, restoration must be accelerated with equal intent. Fourth, irreversibility. Once biological mass is deployed, systems reinforce themselves. Rain patterns stabilize, soils regenerate. Feedback loops shift from collapse to recovery. This is not utopian, it is engineering. From this episode onward, each unit will quantify what is planted, where it is planted, how much carbon it absorbs, what it costs, and what measurable effect it produces. No politics, no ideology, no appeals to morality. Only systems. Earth does not need permission to heal. It only needs the correct inputs. This is where restoration begins.